Hey guys, I'm here in the video for you today. Here, it's the best family, and today here, I've got some TNT in my hands, and I also have a flint and steel. Today here, we're gonna see how much TNT can it take to be a massive amount. So much like a nuke TNT, so much like the nuke TNT or something. But so we're just going to start with one piece of TNT, and let's go ahead and start, guys. So just gonna back up a little bit. Okay, so that is the normal size TNT, just one piece of TNT, and I believe we found, yep, I believe we found water. Next up, we're going to do two TNTs, and now we're actually going to do it next to this zombie here. Do you mind if we test you? I guess he does. Crap. Okay, so yeah, a little bit bigger than the other ones, than just one piece of TNT. Okay, my game just crashed. Okay, never mind. So, we're gonna move on. It's totally laggy, but I'll deal with it. So, now, 3 pieces of TNT. Can that survive? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so a little bit more, but still not the massive. The massive one is drinking 50 pieces of TNT. So now, 4 pieces of TNT. In counting. Oh my god. A little bit more bigger. I mean, seriously. And I believe we found iron down there? Yep, did. We sure did. We found iron. Why is there stuff like this? Just why? Why? Okay, moving on. Now we're gonna do 5 pieces of TNT. Move down a little bit. 1, dang it. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Oh, 4, 5. And we're gonna go right in the middle. We're gonna get an amazing creator from this video. Yeah, climbed up too. So we're gonna do it over here to the sand. 6 pieces of TNT. There's some bunnies over there. Oh, 1, 2, 3 bunnies. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Goodbye, area. And goodbye, bunnies too. Wow. Oh my god. That is like so big. What the heck? The bunnies are just all frightened. Sorry, I stressed you out a little bit. Moving on. Okay, 7 pieces of TNT. Can this layer survive 7 pieces of TNT? Let's find out. Piggy, you know this. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Oh. Wow. Oh my god. So, wowee. Okay, we're gonna move into a different area because this is taking up a lot of space. I'm thinking a good place for this thing. Hi Mr. Creeper, I just passed you. How about, you know what, maybe right here should be good. 1, oops, didn't mean to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces of TNT. There we go. That felt better. Bam! 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 Oh my god. There's more iron down there. Just chilling there. How much iron is there? Oops. Let me do that. There. Okay, so there's 8 pieces of TNT. Not 8 pieces of TNT. 8 pieces of iron ore. Okay. So, moving on. 9 pieces of TNT. Let's do it, let's do it somewhere around here, I guess. Now this is a good spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait a minute. Dang it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good. Okay. Please stop, Scott. You're gonna bust the light bulb. And then you're gonna pay for it. Alright, so that's 9 pieces of TNT. You know what? Forget about this. I want to do something epic here. We're going to put so much TNT around this area. It's going to be epic. Let's see if this place survives. And I'll come back when it's done. I'll come back when it's done, guys. Alright, guys, I am back, and I put so much TNT on this land. It's like a lot of freaking TNT. This is freaking like insane. I put so much TNT that this is gonna be epic. Look at that. It's not a lot, but I'll try. You guys could say it's a little bit like amazing. But here we go, guys. You guys are about to see this epic explosion in 3, 2, 1. Oh, by the way, before I light it up, there's some stuff on the ground too. There's some TNT on the ground too. So I won't forget to check out that too. So here we go, guys. This will be lit in 3, 2, 1. Just going back up here. And oh my god, I can't move. Holy crap, this will freaking crash my game. I can't move. Holy crap. Oh my god. That was epic. That was a lot of TNT. My game just froze up. That was like the laggiest choice ever. Let's check under here. See if everything is okay right here. Ooh, cave. I don't know. I can't find it. This is such a laggy choice right here. But I can't believe it. My game like almost crashed right there. But there's a spider over there. There's like, whoo, look at this creator. The water is just flowing down. Oh my god. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, stay tuned for more videos. And see you in the next video. Peace. Okay, I gotta get a new world.